everyone, welcome to episode 8 on how to create a fish clicker game in Scratch. In episode 7, we added the title screen for our game, and if we click play, we can start the game. Okay, so uh, in this episode, we will be adding sounds and a few UI improvements. So let's get started. So first, we'll add the sounds. Let's create a new sprite called sounds. And the reason I'm creating a new sprite is that we can be more organized. So first let's concentrate on the game music. So I already have some the music with me. If you can choose whatever music you want. So I wanted to only play when the game is started. So play sound. So take a forever loop, then put the play sound game music until done block. Okay. Now when the fish is clicked, like whenever the fish is clicked, I want a sound from the Scratch library called water drop. And then in the fish sprite, when the fish is clicked, we'll broadcast a message called water, uh, fish clicked. And then when I receive fish clicked, we'll play sound water drop. Great. So now when this title screen button is clicked, I want a sound called wood tap to play. And we go to that uh, sprite. Okay, let's not keep it in this. We'll keep it here. Broadcast new message called play clicked. And then when I receive play clicked, we'll play wood tap. It works. Now whenever we get an achievement, I want uh, collect to play. So go to the achievement sprite. Then in the if statement, keep new broadcast a new message called achievement. And then let's keep it over here, and then let's play collect. And when we purchase a new item in the shop, go to your upgrade sprite and then find the upgrade power block. Then broadcast a new message called uh, upgrade purchased. And then when an upgrade is purchased, we'll play a sound called connect. Okay, great. So that's all our sounds we need. Clean up the blocks and you're good to go. Okay, uh, now for the UI improvements, what I want is below this number counter. So what I want is now below this number counter, I want two labels to show, one for the click range and one for the per second range, and then next to them, I want it to show how much click range and per second range we want. So I removed my music for now. I'll put it back later. So next to the number counter, actually, I want a fish icon. So I'll just create a new sprite called label. Then I'm just gonna duplicate that and paste it, and then make sure your x and y position is 0. Then keep it here. Okay, and then below that we'll put the labels. Click range, I'll make it smaller, and then below that per second range. Okay, so let's just duplicate our number counter, and then this is for the click range. Okay, so for this I don't want these bold numbers. So to remove them, I'm going to remove the outline. So yeah, I'll do that for all these numbers. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so now I removed these outlines, uh, and I'm going to show this for now. I'm going to set the size to 60. Then I'll position it uh, here. So y will be 86, and the x will be minus 119. So if your x is a negative number, in this area just put a positive number, as we already have the minus sign here, so it's okay. I'll just increase it. Okay. Also, these labels should show only when the game is started. So when green flag clicked, hide. Then when I receive start game, let's show. Okay, coming back to the click range sprite, uh, let's replace these core variables to click range, as we're particularly showing the click range uh, uh, variable. So do that, and then it shows our click range. Now for the per second range, duplicate this click range, right, and call it per second range. Then let's show it, and then drag it somewhere here, and then after that we'll keep it here, and then the y position is 70, and then the x position minus 78, but it will vary, so something like 100, 98, okay, 90 minus 97. Okay, so let's replace these click range variables to per second range, and it shows our per second range. So now I'll just keep this game music back, and then that's the end of this tutorial and this series. I hope you guys enjoyed this series and this episode. If you did, leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss the latest content. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.